And the last question, and this is a big part of my theology, is what is it that is worth risking for? In the Christian story, I think we serve a God who very clearly knows who his beloved is. And because he knows who his beloved is absolutely willing to risk everything for the sake of that. And I do think a part of entrepreneurial work, whether you're talking about the marketplace or ecclesially in the church, is what is it that we would be so compelled to do that we would be willing to risk our blood, sweat, and tears to do it, to take those kinds of risks. And I think the gospel involves risk, to our previous ways of thinking and being. And so I just encourage you to ponder that maybe in the next few days after this. What would you risk for? Or how would you risk in a way that would be compelling when it comes to students and youth ministry? So that's kind of what we're going to do together today. And I hope we're able to kind of accomplish at least some of those things.